Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss how to run a React project in our system. For that, first we should download VS Code in our system. To download VS Code, we'll go to this link and we'll download VS Code. If you are using Windows, we'll download here. If you are using Mac, we'll download here. I have downloaded in our system already. For that, I'll skip this. After downloading VS Code in our system, we should download Node.js in our system. To download Node.js, here we'll type Node.js download. We should go to nodejs.org link. Here we'll get our how to download. After completion of download, we'll go to VS Code, go to terminal and type npm create with the right latest. And that to type our project name sample. I am taking it. We are using React, so React and JavaScript. So JavaScript. After completion of that, we should go to this directory sample. This sample, which is our project name, cd space sample. After that, enter. After that, we should install required libraries. I think it is taking time. I will skip this part. After completion of installation, I will start. After completion of installation, we should run npm run enter. After that, go enter. It is our first React project. How we should install React and how we should run a React plus Vite in our system. Thank you for watching.